three types of people in the world. First, people who dream but don't pursue. Majority of the world falls in this particular bucket. Second, people who dream, pursue, but end up doing something very usual in nature. Nothing life-changing, by the way. Third, people who dream and dream big. By the way, we fall in this particular bucket. We were able to do it, a bit of it, and we did it through cityshow.com.
You're a fool. I mean, that's what the world says when we started City Show 2 years back. And they said it basically for these 4 reasons. One, put together, we were earning close to half a crore as a salary when we left our job to start City Show. Two, our kids. I mean, honestly, I think we had to think zillion times before we started City Show because of our kids and their future. Third, our wives. They were about to divorce us. Fourth, we had failed twice already. But something big was calling us. And at one point in time we decided, boss yaar, bahut ho gaya aisa. And we resigned.
When we started, it wasn't easy. It was literally difficult. We were not sure how the world would react seeing a page and a product that they've never seen in life. We refreshed that page zillion times and finally we got the result. The result was 3, 2, 1. काफी बार सोचा अगर सिटी शो नहीं चलता तो क्या करते? Would it be a fourth startup in our life? So it would not have been possible this time because with City Show we put all our life savings. It was all in this time.
So are we successful? Yes we are, but are we satisfied? No, not at all. About 1/10 of Ahmedabad's youth follow City Show today. But that's not enough. We want to grow bigger. We want to make sure that City Show becomes the biggest story that Ahmedabad has ever witnessed in the entire history of Ahmedabad. And for that, we don't need your support. We need your money.
So there are 2 specific reasons why you should give money to us. First, which is very obvious. Whatever money that you give us, in return, we will gift you something of equal or higher amount. Second, wouldn't you like to support a company which is homegrown, 2 people, 2 laptops, no financial backing, and with 10% acquisition, today we are the largest online media company in Ahmedabad. But we want to take it to a next level. We want to acquire 50% of local youth and we wish to break all the world records. And for that, we definitely need your money. So contribute in whatever small portions you can. Log on to this particular URL and you will have all the necessary